Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and wondered, how does everyone afford to travel and visit all of those amazing places? Or maybe you're the type of person who always had the travel bug, but the cost of your trips are starting to max out your credit cards. Well, say hello to Jet Set Pro, an exclusive online travel booking club that grants you access to hotel rates you can't find anywhere else. Plus, you can book a plane ticket and cancel it within 24 hours and get a full refund back to your credit card. Yes, really. Here's how it works. Jet Set Pro is run by the popular travel TV show, The Jet Set. They negotiated deep discounts with thousands of hotels around the world, and the rates are so low, they had to promise not to display them publicly because the big booking sites can't come close to matching the price. Visit thejetsetpro.com, choose our annual membership, and try it free for 3 days. And don't forget to use promo code SAVE25 for 25% off.